Hello everyone, welcome to BOGONG Machinery. Today we will introduce you 500-watt post-laser cleaning machine. And this is our suitcase model and air cooling type. You can see a suitcase model which is suitable for moving, very portable, but also save time to carry. There are laser cleaning head, protective glasses, control screen, backup screen, power cable, and so on in the suitcase. What's more, you can see there's another control screen on the laser cleaning head. The function is same. There's no need to move from suitable place to working place. Very convenient design. And there's a digital display screen, can show numbers to confirm the focus length. Besides, there are holder connector design on the laser cleaning head, so that we can add some accessory in future. We can also choose the suitable parameters for different materials on the control screen. There are 6 types you can choose. For now, let's enjoy the operation display.
Be my star tracker.